Hello everybody, how are you? Today we are going to look at text join and text split functions in Excel, how they work in real-time scenarios. Let's start. Here I have first name, middle name and last name. I need to join these three together in order to get the full name of the employees. Equals to text join open bracket and the delimiter. Here delimiter I'm going to give the space character, double quote, space character, close double quote, comma. If you want to, if you don't want to include any blank cells, you can give true here, comma, and you need to select the text, all the cells that you wanted to join. You can select multiple cells here to join together. Then close bracket, hit enter, select that cell that we entered the formula, then copy down the formulas. Now we will see text split function equals to text split, the full name, comma, the delimiter, open double quote, space character and double quote, close the bracket. Why I have given space character is here first name and last name and middle name are separated by the space character. Hit enter and then copy, paste, formulas, hit enter. That's it. You will get all the text splitted into multiple cells. I hope this small tutorial will help you a lot in your daily work. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please make sure to comment your opinions on this video. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.